Hi there. Did you know that some foods can help you lose weight? Foods like avocados and eggs are not only yummy, but can also help your body burn fat more efficiently. When we want to lose weight, we need to eat the right foods. Exercise is good, but what we eat is very important too. Eating low-carb foods can help us lose weight faster and more effectively. Low-carb foods can help us stay healthy. They can make our heart strong and keep our blood sugar levels normal. These foods are good for us and taste great too. Plus, they can be easily incorporated into our daily meals. We will have fun learning about these foods. Whether you know a lot about healthy eating or are just starting, there's something for everyone. Let's have fun and see how these foods can make us feel better and more energetic. Let's start with avocados, one of nature's most perfect foods. These green gems are a staple in many diets around the world. These creamy, delicious fruits are not only low in carbs, but also packed with healthy fats and fiber, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet. They are a great source of essential nutrients. Studies have shown that avocados can help reduce belly fat and improve heart health. They can keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is super helpful when you're trying to lose weight. Their benefits extend beyond just weight management. Plus, they are incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or even use them as a spread on toast. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them a great addition to many dishes. You can even use them in baking for a healthy twist, or just enjoy them on their own with a pinch of salt. Yum! You can also get creative and make guacamole, avocado fries, or even avocado ice cream. The possibilities are endless with this superfood. Experimenting with avocados can be a fun culinary adventure. And don't forget, avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They are truly a gift from nature. Next up, we have eggs. These little powerhouses are a staple in many households around the world, cherished for their versatility and nutritional benefits. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients, including vitamins like B12 and D, and minerals such as selenium and choline. They are nature's perfect package of nutrition. Research indicates that eggs can help you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake, all while being low in carbs, making them an excellent choice for those watching their carbohydrate intake. This makes them ideal for weight management and maintaining a healthy diet. They are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in so many ways: boiled, scrambled, poached, you name it. You can even bake them into delicious quiches or use them to make fluffy omelets. The possibilities are endless. Including eggs in your diet can help keep your energy levels up and those hunger pangs at bay. They are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a quick snack. Plus, they are easy to cook and can be paired with a variety of other foods to create balanced meals. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious and satisfying option, don't forget about the humble egg. It's a small food with big benefits. Eggs can be included in various low-carb recipes, making them a versatile addition to your meal plan. From breakfast to dinner, eggs can fit into any meal seamlessly. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Studies suggest that consuming Greek yogurt can aid in weight loss and improve digestion. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to keep it low-carb. Nuts and seeds are excellent low-carb snacks. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Research shows that nuts and seeds can help reduce hunger and promote weight loss. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great options. Just remember, moderation is key, as they can be calorie-dense. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are incredibly low in carbs and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Studies have shown that leafy greens can help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. They can be used in salads, smoothies, or as a base for various meals. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can help ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. Incorporating these low-carb foods into your diet can accelerate your weight loss journey. Remember to combine them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Stay motivated and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found these insights helpful. Until next time, take care and eat well.